north central Illinois, northern Grundy County in northeastern Illinois, until 3:15 p.m. At 2:08 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Ottawa, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact. Vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Seneca and Serena around 2:20 p.m. Sheridan around 2:30 p.m. Morris and Newark around 2:40 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Millington and Lisbon, including the following Interstate 80 between mile markers 90 and 117. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in the sturdy structure. This is no